Hey, what's up, Winklink holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video after a long time, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Winklink future. You know what? In a previous last 1 month, the price of Winklink is falls down. The price is dumping, but now still once again the Winklink start explosion. The situation is going better in a Winklink, my friends. My friends, before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. You can see, my friend, that is the last 1 month, last 30 days price chart of the Winklink coin, and absolutely, my friends, you can see here that the price of Winklink is continuously falls down. Continuously price falls down, my friends. But now at the last, the situation is started jumping and the price is start increasing, my friends. The current price of the Wink in the market is 0.000289 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Winklink, and the changes occurred in the Winklink is negative 14.1%. My friends, the last 1 month price change is negative. So it's clear that the Winklink price falls down in the last 1 month and we are in the loss. So finally, my friends, if you decide to save yourself from loss, so please hold it. If you decide to sell on this price, so you are in the loss because the pricing is negative, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Winklink? Also tell me in the comment box and share your opinion, your prediction about Winklink in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.